a buddy of mine, Daniel, just got a pretty sick car. It's a 2014 GT500, but it's got some pep.
Such bad gas.
What's up, dude?
Maybe it's rich.
Yeah. Wow.
Maybe that's why I thought it was running on E85.
Dude, look. Yeah, it's rich. It's like pig rich. Damn. Whoa. That's got some beef. Damn. That's pretty sweet. This is a monster, bro.
I know, dude. It's huge.
Dude, this
if I was to change anything, I actually think I'd want to make this smaller.
Jesus. We're doing this little rye tasting. I'm not a big whiskey or rye guy, but they've got all these whiskeys, or ryes rather, and then this. But no, anyways, so I'm lighting up on this Davidoff Churchill. It was a really good deal that I found in a cigar shop in Florida, in Fort Myers. It was like $19. I couldn't believe it, but normally these are $30, $40 smokes. So what's going on, guys? I have this eye thing because Oklahoma allergies have always killed me since I was a kid. When I moved to Atlanta, I didn't realize that I had them that bad. I thought it was just normal. But coming back here, it's killing me. Anyways, we're here at David Sports Center. I have the boat here. We're gonna drop it off, let them look it over. I've got a couple of people interested in buying the boat already. I posted maybe a couple hours ago. I think it's gonna go quick. I've got it reasonably priced. But I'm gonna take some pictures and just give the caution that it's just dirty because it's been sitting. But I'm gonna go inside and see if they have anything cool. But this has kind of always been like the Mastercraft place to buy in Oklahoma City. It's so windy here. My the cover on my bed actually popped off because of the wind, which I didn't know was possible. But it's really windy here. My dad's dog goes with him everywhere. Hey, little Bubba. Hey, Bubby. I like this one. It's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna get the boat off, do the deal here, and then we'll go out tonight. I'm gonna go put a starter in the vet, and we'll take that around. I'm back at my parents' house in the garage. I've got the Corvette here. In the winter time, they move all of their plants inside so that they don't freeze. Anyways, we're just down to the Corvette today. So I've got the battery charger on just to make sure everything's good to go. And then gonna slap this starter in and take it around the block. I feel a little more confident with the car because last time I was here, I drove it for about 500 miles. So I think that on this trip, I'll do a little more stupid stuff than I would have last time and just get a little more comfortable with the car. But it should be fun. I think it's gonna be an all-nighter tonight, at least in the Oklahoma street scene. Because the weather's really good, and I saw a lot of really cool cars out today when I was just driving around. So I think it should be good today. But let me get the starter slapped in, we'll go do some stupid stuff. Well, that escalated quickly. I don't know why, but I was like, hey, where's the new dash? My dad said it's over there, so I just started taking the interior of this thing out bit by bit. I've got all that out the way it should be. Now I'm just going to take the cluster, which surprisingly doesn't look like it has that many bolts, but I bet this thing is heavy as shit. And then clean it all off with Scotch-Brite, take out those vents, put the new one in, cut the holes for everything. I think you actually have to cut the holes for the vents too. Yeah, you put the holes for the vents, lay it up in there, and then trim this section out where you don't need it. And that's it. So the issue with the engine not starting is not the starter. The starter is good. I can confirm. I was able to jump the solenoid. But I do think that it has an issue. Something in the wiring is broken, so I'm just going to run a new jumper wire and use that as a diagnostic tool to determine where the brake is, and then if I can, repair the brake. If not, I'll just use the jumper wire as the permanent wire and roll on. What's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm in the Porsche Panamera Turbo S Executive. That's the long wheelbase. Still has all of the Porsche goodies you can imagine. Launch control, 600 horsepower, blah, 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 blah. You know. Okay, anyways, Turbo S. I'm going out to meet my buddy Daniel. He has a GT500. Allegedly, it makes like 6 or 760 to the tire, so that would be something like 900 horsepower at the crank, like a very large amount, maybe 850 to 900, somewhere in that range. And then we're gonna take a trip to Mexico probably and just see what's going on down south of the border. But anyways, I got this hat from my dad. 90s dads are definitely the best dads. He has like weird obscurities like all over. This is one of them. It's an X-Files hat. I love X-Files. Anyways, the truth is out there, so don't forget. And also, while you're at not forgetting, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really would help my channel grow quickly, and that way you guys can talk mad shit to me, and also I get some benefit out of it. So it's like a win-win-win-win-win. Anyways, things are going good. We'll figure it out. Yo, it is so windy here. We're gonna check out some of the cars. This is Daniel's